How to enable AI retention in Perplexity AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on this feature. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So now, we're in this settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, there's a section called AI data retention. So here on the right hand side, simply tap on it in order to enable it. And here, as you can see, this has been turned on. So after you do this, there will be data retention automatically done by AI. So you can enable this on your own wish. Now you can simply go back and it's all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.